Hello food fans, welcome back to Greg's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the long promised red Thai curry paste. This is a basic paste. You can use it directly to make red curries obviously, or some curries have other ingredients that you can add to red curry paste, so it's a base to build other pastes for curries. For example, massaman curry, you add cumin and coriander to your curry paste. You can also add things like turmeric and other slightly weird ingredients which I might come to later. So without further ado, here is how to make red Thai curry paste. Okay, the ingredients you'll need to make your red Thai curry paste are some dried chillies soaked. I've used Kashmiri here, but the Thai original ones are called prickchi far or spur chilies. But if you can't get those, any mild dried chilli will do. Garlic, galangal, coriander roots, lemongrass. You'll need lime zest, ideally kaffir lime, but they're a bit hard to find at the moment, so I'm just using the zest from a normal lime. Shallots, some coarse rock salt, some white peppercorns, and lastly some Thai shrimp paste. I'll give you the exact amounts in the description below. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to take out the chillies, squeeze out as much water as you can and put them on paper towel. Now you want to get rid of as much excess water as possible, otherwise your curry paste will end up sort of too loose, too runny. So just put that in there, put those in there. And take some kitchen towel, just press and dry. Get rid of that fella. Okay, so they're ready to be ground. Into your pestle and mortar, place your chillies. Then your salt. And your white peppercorns. And then you just pound away. This will take a while, about 5 to 10 minutes. Once you've pounded your chillies, you're going to need to cut these up into smaller pieces so it's easier to grind with the pestle and mortar. Also, I forgot to say that the salt that you put in there, because it's rock salt, it acts like an abrading agent and helps break up the tougher ingredients. So I'll just chop these up and I'll get back to you. Okay, now these are all chopped up and this is pounded. First thing to add will be your garlic. I've got quite a lot here. I'm probably going to use half this to start with, otherwise you'll never pound it all. You need to make sure you have plenty of time to do this, because just chopping up the ingredients took about an hour. And of course, if you don't want to do it this way, you can put it in a food processor. However, by pounding it, you get all the essential oils out, and that doesn't happen in the food processor. So if you want a good strong flavoured curry paste, a genuine one that's sort of wow instead of nice, then I recommend pounding. You can always start pounding, then finish in the processor or blender, which is what I do. I have a wet and dry spice mix. Okay, and I'll just carry on with that. Okay, that's been pounded for about 5 minutes. Next in goes your shallots. Again, I'm going to do half at a time so I don't overwhelm the pestle and mortar. Of course, the smaller you chop things up to begin with, the easier it is to blend or pound. Some more. Oops, I'm making a mess. That's all the shallot. So that shallot for the shallots. Okay, the light is back. Coriander root. Get nice and fragrant now. Yeah, the galangal's in there. Just pound that for 5 minutes. Basically, it's just a case of chopping up all your ingredients and adding them one at a time. Do your chillies first, and then the fibrous ingredients. Now your lime zest. That sounds nice. And I'm going to pan that for another 5 minutes or so. Do a little bit at a time. With this blender you can only do it for about 20 to 30 seconds, otherwise it'll overheat. And my light's just switched itself off again. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Just going to add a little of the chilli soaking water to help it. Messy boy. So yeah, it's pretty smooth now. Okay, that's done. Yeah, lovely and smooth. That's it, completed curry paste. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Next video up, I'll be using this to make jungle curry or gapi. It's a spicy one. Hope you enjoyed that. See you next time.